Okay, folks, again we're doing 5.23. Read it through yourself and then we see each other when you're done. Okay, in case you dying of curiosity why did I decide to use a while loop on my previous solution. This is it right here. Why did I go for a while loop for both cases? Then you're starting to wrap your hand around this ideology of choosing the right loop, okay? Because the right one isn't a while loop, it's actually a for loop. Why? Left to right. The answer is simple. We know how many iterations are gonna get executed, so that immediately tells us that a for loop is a right choice. Okay. Okay. What else we want? We want some. Why would we want some? No, we don't want some. No. I'm still stuck on a problem I did before, okay? So here's what I'll do. I'll use a for loop and I'll simply go short n equals to 50,000 is n less than or equals to 1. If that is the case, I decrement my n. Oops. That's interesting. Who would have thought? I never thought one have to typecast this way. On this case, but anyway, programming is a long learning curve, okay? So let's continue. I've got to go right to left. Is equals to 1.0 over n. Okay. Okay. 4. Okay, this is what I'll do, folks. You're gonna have to give me a sec. Why n is less than or equals to 50. So 3. 50,000. Then I increment my n. Wait. I know what you're thinking right now. Give me a sec. (1.0) divided by n. I know what you're thinking right now. We're supposed to have our n right there. And then at the bottom we want to increment our n. We could simply initiate it to 0, but incrementing will have the same effect. Okay, so basically I'm displaying at the bottom. Okay. Is there anything wrong? Oh, oops. We're having an infinite loop right here. I should have put greater than there. Okay. Oh, let me see. Did I mess up somewhere? Nope. That was the only mistake. At least that's what I think. Let me terminate that first. Now let me run. What the heck is happening? And starts from 50,000. Okay, I'm incrementing it. Okay. Right there, I'm incrementing it. So you start right there. And I'll simply say while n is less than 50,000, I'm incrementing it. What seemed to be a problem? Oops! Let me comment one loop to see. Which one seemed to give me a problem? Let me stop first. Wait, let me terminate this thing. Oops, interesting. While n, okay, I'm starting from 50. Okay, while, okay, n is greater than or equals to 1, I'm incrementing n. Okay, let's start over. Let me hit the run button. Oh gosh. I wonder where could I possibly have messed up. One sec. You know what I hate the most about programming, folks? You see, you can write a huge code and find yourself having a logical error just like I did on this program here. And the thing is, not all the time you find that you did something. Not all of the time you find that your mistake was something huge, right? You see, often it's often you find yourself doing stupid. Often you find. One sec, folks. I'm being intruded. Okay, folks. I'm back now. Okay, you see, I told you before, I'm a salesperson, so people, they pop up out of the blue sometimes, wanting to buy ice cream. Anyways, I was talking about making logical errors. You see, often you find yourself on a huge program. You spend hours trying to figure out what could possibly have went wrong, right? And most of the time, it turns out that it is something as simple as putting a less than sign instead of a greater than sign. That's why you've got debugging tools out there, okay? So, now that I've fixed that, let me hit run button. So we're good at the top now, which means we can get rid of the comments there. I bet this is good too. Okay, this works well too. Okay, it's better. Okay, now that you got it, see that the program works, the takeaway here is make sure you use a for loop as opposed to a while loop if you know how many iterations are gonna be executed by your loop. See you guys on the next solution.